All right, so here we go with today's efforts. Immediately, I suppose you could see that the cub has been shaped out and mostly finished there. Um, got the face. This ear's too big, but the body contour is more or less correct. I also got some grass and other shrubbery up here in front. I had to work this out because I wanted to work out this paw and his basic shape, so, or hers. So I had to do this front region. This area always has to be left with its own extra area because it starts from the edge and then goes to where you see the first piece touch your subject matter. So I worked out for the most part its basic shape. This shape of his right arm is pretty good. Once it gets shaded and detailed, it'll be very clear. This leg for the lioness is more or less shaped and properly, the size is proper, so that's good too. His hair will be finely detailed and worked out fully, but the shape is in the right direction, so that's good too. I think I'm going to need to push the lioness back a bit because although I can get what I need out of him, I think I need to push her head back. I'll start by pushing the head back here and see how much more I can get out of the face. That means I can push the ear back and get more out of him as well. If I push this nose back, or at least further in rather than here, but more here, I will be able to get more depth out of this face. So I'll start with that. If that doesn't work, then I'll have to push the whole head back, but I might be able to make it work with that. So, okay, mostly the shape is all in place and all of its objects are in place. This will be a tree, and I'll do that at some other time, but for the most part it's worked out pretty well. Feel free to ask questions, and at this stage I can recarve an area and show you how I did it if you want to know via video, or I can just answer you as well. It's up to you. Thanks.